Hello everyone, my name is Esther Egwavoin and welcome back to the Cruise with Esther. So if you're applying for a green card or adjusting your status in the United States, one important step is completing the immigration medical exam. But how do you find a certified civil surgeon approved by USCIS to perform this exam? Don't worry, I've got you covered. So in this video, I'll guide you through the process of finding a civil surgeon quickly and easily. So let's get started. USCIS requires applicants for adjustment of status to complete a medical examination to ensure they don't have health conditions that could make them inadmissible. This includes checking your vaccination records and also performing specific medical tests. These exams must be conducted by a USCIS designated civil surgeon, which is a licensed doctor approved to perform these exams. USCIS has made it super easy for you to find a civil surgeon near you using their online tool, and here is how you can do it step by step.
Okay, so guys, all you have to do is go to uscis.gov and then you navigate to the tools section. You click on the drop down here and you look at the options. You go to USCIS tools and resources. When you click on it, then you scroll down and click on, you search for find a doctor and then you click on it. So when you click on find a doctor, you will see this page here, find a civil surgeon. So all you have to do is enter your zip code. Let me just say the zip code is 20001. Yeah, that's Washington, D.C. So we'll put it in there. And then it will show you the different results on here. If you have any specific language that you'd like the doctor to speak or something you're comfortable with, and then you can select from the drop down here. And if you prefer a male or female doctor, you can select that option here as well. So if you want only female doctors, you can click on female. If you want only male doctors, then you click on male. So this is very easy, and the results will show you the doctors' names, their addresses, their phone numbers, and any other information that would be very important for you. So it's a very good idea for you to write down a few options to compare pricing and availability. So as you can see here, we have these different options here. So you choose any of them. Some of them might be very close to you. You check the miles from the address to where you live. And yeah, so that's it.
So once you've got your list, it's time to make some calls. Here are some key questions that you need to ask when you call. So one, what is the total cost of the medical exam? You can also ask them, do they charge extra for vaccines or additional tests? And what documents should you bring to your appointment? Very important. And also, how quickly can they provide the completed form I-693 for you? And also, if you have a timeline, do they have any availability within your timeline? So before your appointment, you have to make sure that you have the following: a government issued photo ID, like a passport or driver's license. You need to have your vaccination or immunization records. You also need to have your health insurance card. You should ask if the civil surgeon accepts your medical plan for immigration medical examinations, because many health insurance plans do not cover portions of this examination, so you might have to pay out of pocket. And for payment, you need to also check with the civil surgeon's office about acceptable forms of payment. So it may be very helpful for you to call a few civil surgeons to find out how much they charge for the immigration medical examination, because prices can vary by several hundreds of dollars. So the doctor will complete and sign the form after your exam and also seal it in an envelope. Remember, do not open this envelope. It must be submitted to USCIS exactly as it was sealed by the doctor. So here are some quick tips to make this process smoother for you. You need to schedule your medical exam early to avoid delays in your application. You also need to compare prices because fees can vary widely between doctors. So, if you are limited to your budget, you make sure you do that. And if you need vaccinations, you also need to check with your primary care doctor, or a pharmacy can offer them at lower cost. You also need to confirm that the civil surgeon uses the latest USCIS form I-693. That's very, very important. And there you have it. Very, very easy. A simple guide to finding a USCIS-approved civil surgeon for your immigration medical exam. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating the immigration process. You got questions? Drop them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help answer them for you. So thank you for watching and good luck with your green card application. And also do not forget to stay charming, stay fabulous, stay healthy, and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.